already had someone come in and give estimates, but okay. All right.
Jesus. Ma'am, silence. I'm going to mute you. I should order the police to go out and remove you.
No one
out of the house on more than one occasion.
Me.
You just don't seem to agree. You signed it. You agreed to it.
He's supposed to pay the portion of my car. He has not done that.
And that isn't what we're here for. Stop.
It's a court order.
Just mute her.
The same thing that we've done when we purchased the house.
Ma'am.
Yeah, same. But go ahead.
I'll have the police come and remove you. I'm tired. I'm done.
This insane Karen squatter shows up in court fighting her ex-husband because she refuses to move out of the house he owns. The husband already moved out of the house, but she is making his life a living hell, refusing to budge and turning this whole thing into a nightmare. She's spitting his story, painting him as this heartless villain, kicking her and the kids out of the house. And I already know some of you guys in the comments are gonna side with this Karen, but once you guys watch, you will probably change your mind. I mean, she is just crazy in this one. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this Karen. Do you feel bad for her and the kids or not? Let's go ahead and dive in and watch.
Both parties are present via Zoom. Mr. Donaldson is present with his attorney, Mr. Cox. This is Miss Donaldson, 1424 ex parte order. Em, I've read your motion. What do you wish to add briefly to it?
Are you asking?
Yeah, it's
myself?
your motion. Yeah, it's your motion.
Oh,
are you still in the house?
I am currently in the home, me and the children. Yes, sir.
Even though the orders have told you to get out?
Well, that says if I do not have permission, and I have permission to be in the home. I've spoken with Mr. Donaldson. Mr. Donaldson knows that I'm there. He has
written permission. Mr. Cox, does she have permission to be in the home?
She does not, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Donaldson?
Yes, sir.
He says you don't have permission to be in there.
Your Honor, I actually do have permission. We have email communications back and forth. Mr. Donaldson knows that I'm in the home. We've been in communication with the realtor for the last couple of weeks. She also knows that I'm in the home. There has not been any express concerns about me being there. He did say that he was going to write something to allow me to be there. He has not provided that, but he has also not expressed at all any concerns. He comes back and forth to the home to bring the kids, and that's just how we have been we have been living in living in the home.
What's your motion here for?
School for him every day.
You're trying to set aside this ex parte order that gives him exclusive use of the home?
Correct. He does not live in the home. He has his own separate home. He has moved out. And there's no reason to have that exclusive use. He filed a second ex parte without fulfilling the first one at all. He was in the home 60 days during the first ex parte, and he did nothing. So really, when you look at it, he had no grounds or a need to file the second one when he already had full access to the home and full authority to move about at his discretion. And so there has been no further disputes between us. He's left the home, and we've been both taking care of the kids, and he brings his son to me in the mornings because he doesn't have means to get them back and forth to school. That's the way that our kids get back and forth to school, and it's their foundational home as well. So it's just not in the best interest of the children, nor has it been a problem with me being there. And again, we have written communication back and forth that Mr. Donaldson does know that I am in the home. We do have emails to support that, sir.
Knows you're there. That doesn't mean he gave you permission, but I'll ask Mr. Cox. Mr. Cox, your response.
Your Honor, thank you. Your Honor, we've tried everything. We've tried ex parte orders. We've gone through.
I've had a hearing.
Certainly, you've had a hearing. The plaintiff has destroyed the garage door twice. She punches holes in the walls. This realtor I have is a very good people manager, and she's tried everything. We just can't get in. I've got an email from her today, very alarmed, saying that she's concerned that she's not able to sell this home, as it is nearly impossible to have showings. I have 4 showings set for Friday. Mrs. Donaldson said that she has left for a trip out of town and failed to put the key in the lockbox. Your Honor, it just goes on and on and on. I don't want to inundate you that with stuff, but the point is that she just will not allow us to get this house sold, either by destroying it or making it impossible to work with the realtor. The realtor just needs to be able to get this house sold, and we only can do that by having this ex parte order upheld. She has to be removed from the home. We've tried everything to try to get her out of the home.
If you're not feeling the Karen vibe yet, just wait. Her meltdown has not even started yet, and it's not even close. I mean, she's already annoying, but either way, I mean, I don't know if I would call her a squatter. I mean, she kind of is squatting in the definition, but she's not like a typical squatter. But either way, she's been told multiple times to leave too. And just the wildest part for me is the realtor trying to show up to the house, and then this lady just takes off on vacation without handing over the key. I mean, that's just next level entitlement. And honestly, her behavior just shows a total disregard for other people's property rights. And courts obviously don't have time for this level of disrespect. It's almost like this Karen believes the law doesn't apply to her, and that kind of attitude only makes the judge's patience run thin. This isn't even somebody just struggling either. It's someone weaponizing the system to stay put. It's no surprise the courts had enough of this lady.
Ma'am, I don't know what else to do. You're just not abiding by a court order. I mean, I think I should have the police go out and remove you. And a court officer should set all your stuff out on the front lawn.
Well, I don't know what that would do for our children that I take back and forth to school that he does not have means to do. Well, he should care about the welfare of his children.
I understand,
and he should know.
But I'm enforcing the order. The order. There's nothing.
Your Honor,
it doesn't.
Like you
say
said, it's been February.
Kids.
It's 4 months past. He was in the house for 60 days and with an ex parte order in place the first time and did nothing. The house did not get on the market until January 30th, 2024. Those are not because of delays of myself.
It's because you wouldn't get out of the house like you were ordered to. No one ordered me out of the house on more than one occasion.
Your Honor.
You've been ordered.
We've been communicating with the realtor.
More than one occasion.
No, sir. No,
yes,
sir. Mr. Donaldson has emailed me, and we have email documentation that Mr. Donaldson is fully aware and okay with me being in the home. He has worked with me, and we have worked together to say certain things about the home. But he knows and fully aware that I'm there in the home. We communicate about the children, so he has had no issue with me being in that home. These concerns are more so coming from
out of the home.
He told me I would be allowed 30 days once the home is sold. The home has not been sold. It just got put on the market less than 2 weeks ago, Your Honor. And it's been over 4 months that they've had to do that with full authority to do it. That has not been on my delay because the court granted them full authority that they have failed to exercise in.
It took us a lot longer because we had to get a bunch of ex parte orders in order to get the realtor to get anything done. And
that's not true. You
Honor.
had your order from September 26th, and he did not move out until December 1st.
What are you seeking today? Because, ma'am, this is the same thing that's been litigated that I started back in, I think it was...
Because it should have never been able to been filed in the first place, and it also should have never been granted because it had no grounds or no means.
Sorry, but I granted it, then the judge upheld it, the judge did something else to uphold it, and I'm upholding it again. It's a court order. You just don't seem to agree